welcome back to Keylinks Travel Life. I am back with another video. In this video, I am going to be preparing my first aid kit as I am going on an 8-day sailing to La Romana, Amber Cove. Where else am I going? Aruba and Bonaire. So several of those will be my first time there. But every time I cruise, I do pack a first aid kit to make sure I have at least some of the essentials I might need during a cruise. I'm also packing a cleaning kit. I do clean my cabin or hotel rooms when I get in, but I watched a video from a lady on TikTok and her cleaning video is like next level. And it just made me think, like, on an 8-day cruise, I know they come in and they clean our rooms. They make our bed, take the trash out, vacuum. And I think that's about it. Well, the towels, of course, but I don't think they do like any deep cleaning. So after a couple of days, you have shower scum and buildup. Who knows if they're actually going into our cabins and really scrubbing that? I don't know. I can't confirm it. So I figured, you know what? I need to up my game a little bit on that. I don't have everything she has in her video. There was a Clorox disinfecting mist. I have looked everywhere for this travel size mist and I cannot find it. Even on Amazon, I haven't been able to find it. They have the larger ones, but not the travel size, which I really wanted because I wanted the travel size to fit in my cleaning kit. But I have a little bit more than I did before. I do need to add a couple other things to it, but you'll see what I have when we do that. But we're going to start with the first aid kit. How many of you prepare a first aid kit when you go on a cruise? Or do you just take like maybe like a pack like this of Band-Aids and maybe some Tylenol aspirin? Well, I do have that. It has a couple different sizes of Band-Aids in there. And I think 2 sterile alcohol swabs, and the rest are different size Band-Aids. So I do take that, as well as a pack of gauze and waterproof tape and another small pack of gauze. So I'm gonna put this in. Now I haven't had to use any of this, but you never know, right? You never know what's gonna happen. I have some wet ones that I take. You always want to be prepared and write things off around what you're doing. I also have some masks, even though I can't even say gone are the days of masks because, stuff just keeps happening. And you never know when you might need a mask or a mask may be required. I also take a plastic bag. I learned in cosmetology many, many years ago, when you're dealing with blood and things like that, you do want to put all of that into one bag. So I have that just in case, there are any cuts and napkins that are, bloody or whatever. So I take those and I'll put that. Let me show you the inside of this. It has a couple different pockets. So the top has a back pocket that's open and deep, and then there's 3 slot pockets here for things, and then on the bottom it's just open the whole way. So you could get a lot in here. And I got this at Target. Sometimes they have a sale where you buy 3 first aid items, you can get this for free, but it was like $4 or something like that. All right, so I have that in there. I also take along lip balm. This is SPF 15, but I also have another lip balm from Black Girl Sunscreen. They have their own SPF lip balm, so I do have that as well, but I put that in another bag that's going to stay with me. This will end up being in my check bag. Of course, Dramamine non-drowsy. I have not had to use this or any patches, but you never know. I always take it just in case. And what else? Of course, different types of medication. I have a couple different packets of Advil, extra strength Tylenol, and this one is cold and flu Advil, and a couple of different, well, Benadryl, but I have several packets of that because, you know, you gotta be ready. So I'm gonna put that in one of the slots at the top. So I have that in there. Turn around so you can see where I'm putting everything. The Dramamine is here, and then the lip balm. And I have a packet of Alka-Seltzer. There's 2 tablets in here. It's hangover relief because I'm going on a cruise. And I also have these goodies. A lady that I met, I was cruising with back in 2022, I think it was. She turned me on to these. So they are for extra strength headache powder. So you put this in like a little bit of water and it works. So I have a couple of those. I need to get more of those actually. Never had any issues, but I do have some ginger candy just in case. Put that in. It's gonna go over here. I have hydration packet. This, you just dump this in like a was a 16-ounce bottle of water. There was another one I had. It was like an orange flavor. I wasn't crazy about it, but it did the trick. It kept me hydrated. So I do have this one. This is golden cherry. So that I'm gonna throw back here. Also take emergency packets. I have emergency and immune plus emergency packet, and then this other off-brand vitamin C packets. I put them in a 4-ounce cup of water, stir it up, and I drink one every day. I think I need to grab a couple more of these packets to help with my vitamin C, keep my immunity boosted. So I'm gonna put those in the bottom. I'm gonna go down in the bottom section, right there, some kind of way. I'll fix it later. I take a couple bands. These are the bands that help keep bugs away. Put those in there. I already know. I'm probably going to end up repacking this because I'm all about organization and I want to make sure I have everything I need. This is Benadryl anti-itch stick. I have yet to have a bug bite on a cruise, even when I go on excursions and things like that, but it's always good to have. You just never know. So I'm gonna put that in there. I have a EpiPen, so that goes with me no matter what. Also a thermometer in case I need to check my temperature. I'm gonna shove that in the bottom. Also some single Purell gel. So what you do is you just squeeze it. That's probably, you could probably see it better. You squeeze it and it comes out and you just throw the rest away. I put a bunch in here, and then I have some in my carry-on backpack. I'll have some in my wallet. So I'll have plenty of those. Pepto-Bismol, just a couple packets just in case. And another, this is a sting relief pad, like alcohol pad, and anti-itch cream. Nice and small, so I can keep that in here with me. I have a Bug Guard towelette. Got that from Avon. I do need to get some more of those. And I know this is probably, you probably don't even think about putting this in your first aid kit or in your bag, but this is like a temporary repair kit for your teeth or a tooth. If you have like a filling or a cap or anything, it's temporary relief. I don't know why I feel like I need this. You just never know. You might bite down on something, chip a tooth on the corner, and you might want to just temporary fill it. So I have that. I'll have that with me. So I'm gonna zip this up, and that is my first aid kit. I think I'm good to go. I might put some other compression towelettes in here, just to have some extra on hand. But then it zips up like so. And then your first aid kit is ready to go. And it's not heavy. It's not heavy at all. And it doesn't take up a lot of space in my suitcase if it's in there just right. Okay, so now I'm going to pack my cleaning kit. Again, it's not as detailed as her packet. She's on TikTok. But it's going to be enough to help me keep my cabin clean and sanitized. So I have some Clorox wipes. I also have Lysol disinfectant wipes. I do want to get the scrub brush. It's like a portable scrub brush that you can scrub the shower floor. I do want to get that, so I don't have that today, but I will. I have some gloves for cleaning, 2 small cans of Lysol spray that I could spray like the phone. Of course, I'll be using my wipes to wipe everything down, but after the first day, they still come into your cabin, the room steward. Are we still calling the room steward? Or did that change? They come in, to, of course, to make your bed and things like that. And, you know, you can spray to touch up behind them. So I have 2 small cans. I do have Dial soap that I'll be putting in my bathroom. On the ship, they do give you a bar of soap, but after like the first use, it gets all like yucky. So I'll have my own hand soap. Don't judge me. So I'm gonna put this in this way so I can pack. And this is just a regular TSA bag that I had. I have a couple of these I got from Temu when I was still purchasing from Temu. I also have, okay, so then my gloves, those in. I have a Tide to Go stick. I probably won't use it, but if I don't take it, I'm going to need it, so it's going to go in here. There is a white night on the ship. I do have a white dress, so just in case. I do have a white t-shirt, I think like 2 white t-shirts, so you just never know. All right, I could not find the Clorox disinfectant mist. I've looked everywhere for that, but I can't find the travel size. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pack my own. I didn't put it in here yet, my disinfectant, but that will be in here. And I also have compressed towelettes that I put some Dawn Power Wash on them. So there's 2 tablets in here. I'm going to break it up so you can see. There's 2 tablets in each one. And that discolored look that you see is the Dawn Power Wash. All you need is like a couple of drops on it and it soaks up. So when you run this underwater, you have, you know, this liquid. So it gets soapy so you can wash your liquids. If you have like bottles, or if you take containers or anything with you, your water bottles, or if you have a bottle that you have alcohol in it one night, the next night you want to put, you know, a different drink in there, you can clean your dishes and your straws if you take one of those metal straws or something like that. So I am going to make a couple more of these because it is 8 days, so I want to make sure I have enough of everything. And of course I picked up, now this isn't going to go in here, this is going to go in my luggage, like probably underneath it or something, the Lysol spray. So I might be okay with just this. Kills 99.9% of viruses and bacteria and odor eliminator. So I might not need to get the mist, but I don't know. I guess I just wanted it because she had it in her kit and I was like, her kit is awesome. So that is my cleaning kit. Like I said, I do need to get the other scrub brush thingy that I want to get for cleaning the shower floor. So I think I'm good to go there. And then I found this cute little sewing kit on in Five Below, and it has a couple different colored threads, some buttons, lots of needles. It has little shears. Now, look how, I'm gonna show you. Look how small these shears are. I don't know. Carnival has been like cracking down. So they may make me take this off. I don't know. I'm going to do my research. I'm actually going to call and confirm before I go. And then there's also a little box back there that has some safety pins, you know, for our dresses or, you know. So I have a couple of those. There's a thimble. So I thought that was really cute. So I'm going to take that with me. If I can get it in my first aid kit, I will, but I'll probably put this in my toiletry bag. So that is the video for today. I'm going to probably get this up hopefully in the next couple of hours because I'm trying to get more consistent with my channel. I don't know if you can see, but I have my cruise hat on, getting ready for my cruise. But I am trying to get more consistent with my channel, at least have something up once a week. And what I wanted to put up today, I just didn't have time to get prepared. So I'll probably throw this one up just so, you know, I have some consistency. But I do want to thank all of you for being here, being subscribed to the channel. And I hope you stay subscribed because I have some great videos coming up. Like I said, I'm going on an 8-day cruise to those destinations. So I'm really excited. So in the comments, I would love to hear from you. What's the longest cruise you've been on? Have you been on back-to-back or side-by-side? And what do you think about the length of the cruise? Do you like longer cruises or you are more, give me 4 or 5 days and I'm good? Let me know. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.